Hello, I'm Dr. Kitti Balog from Hungary, and there are ICL trials here in which we testing different kinds of control-release fertilizers, and we are checking how can these fertilizers reduce ammonia emission.
In the last decade, we investigated nitrate forms and water-soluble forms of the nitrogen losses, but our focus moved on the air-polluting substances, just like ammonia. In the form of ammonia, the farmer can suffer the biggest loss on the field from the applied nitrogen, so this is the most important issue for them. On the other hand, ammonia is an air-polluting substance, so that's why we were glad when we were able to working with the ICL and to investigate together these ammonia losses after fertilization.
My name is Tanguy, Enhanced Efficiency Fertilizer Portfolio Agronomist for ICL. ICL produce controlled-release fertilizer to increase the nutrient use efficiency and farmers' yield. With controlled-release fertilizer like Agromaster, the main nutrient is coated by a physical membrane that protects it to direct contact with environment. This membrane, under soil temperature influence, releases day by day the nutrients that can be nitrogen, phosphorus or potassium in the soil solutions to follow plant needs and reduce nitrogen losses in the soil or in the atmosphere.
Ammonia emission is measured with closed chamber method, which is a closed tube, and there is an absorbent in the top of the tube, fulfilled with glycerol and phosphoric acid mixture to absorb the ammonia volatilization from the soil and fertilizer. And when it absorbs the volatile ammonia, it transforms to ammonium and bond in the foam. And then it is put into bags and cooled until it laboratory analysis. Yesterday we were in a trial of ICL, and we are collected some absorbents for ammonium emissions. And now we are in the laboratory and analyzing ammonium from these foams which captured ammonia. So we have to extract the solution from the foam by squeezing it 3 times with distilled water, and that is distillated under that in the presence of sodium hydroxide, and then this solution is titrated with sulfuric acid in the presence of boric acid indicator, and then ammonium ions can be analyzed, and ammonia emission can be calculated from these results.
Agromaster is an important part of the Hungarian portfolio. Since 3 years we could manage a local production in Croatia, and it means that we can have a cheaper product with a much better service. And today we are selling to, beside field crop vegetables, potatoes, other industrial crops, and we started also in the field crops like corn and some cases even in winter wheat.